we're going to get into our forEach loop. So to specify this, what we want to do is actually start off with our array variable first, and this is going to be used for iterating specifically through arrays. And then once you specify your array here, what you want to do is go ahead and type dot forEach, and then this is going to now take a callback function. So we are going to specify our callback function now, and all that means is that we're going to put a function here specifying what we want this to do. In our case, we want to use our value and our index from our array. Now we want to create our curly brackets, and then we simply want to create our text variable again, and then make this equal to this loop has run. And then we're going to again add our index, and we're going to get our index value through our index variable here. Then we again want to add 1 because we're starting off at 0 because arrays are 0 indexed. Then we want to wrap this in parentheses because we want this code to run before it is concatenated with our string here. Then what we want to do is specify one more string, just like so, specifying times. And then I messed it up, so I'll go back and fix that. And then I also need to add my plus sign here. Now we're gonna go ahead and log this out to our console by specifying console.log text. Now you guys will see that it says this loop has run 1 time and this loop has run 2 times. So what's happening here is we're first taking our array, which you guys can see here. Then we're specifying forEach, and if you hover over it, it will actually give you some information about it here. Then we are actually creating our callback function here that is going to take the parameters value and index, which in our case, our values are here, and then our index are 0 and 1, because again, arrays are 0 indexed. Then we are specifying our index here, but again, it starts at 0, so we need to add 1 to actually display 1. Then we're looping back through this again, but now with our second index, which is 1. Then if you want to actually display the value from this array, you can simply write out your value parameter here, and now the value from your specified array will successfully print out here. So first it runs through 1 time, displays this. Then it runs through using our second index and displays this. Again, if you guys have any questions, please reach out.
Click the card above to see what happens next.